You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello, crafty friends. It is Holly with Melody Lane Inspired again, coming to you because we have another new Cricut mystery box, and this mystery box again has a new cutie color. So this box is Cricut's Kaleidoscope Mystery Box. First, we will get to the cutie. And I'm interested to see this cutie because I do know the name of the cutie, but I don't quite know what color it is with the name of the cutie. So let's see. Oh, this is so much brighter than I thought it was gonna be. So the cutie in this box his name is Brill Blue. Yeah, I didn't know. I was like, I don't know what Brill is, so I did not know. I was thinking maybe like denim color, but I like him so much more actually because he is a bright blue, like crayon blue. So here I'll go ahead and pop Brill Blue up next to a couple other cuties that are close in color. One thing that's big difference about them, if you can see the difference in their finish. So Brill is the matte, or I even call it satin finish, and then the other one is the shiny finish. Okay, so fun fact, I had to look that up because I'm like, what is Brill Blue? So Brill Blue, apparently it stands for the food dye, like blue #1 that you use for food, like food coloring and stuff in dye. So Brill Blue. So it is like a perfect blue color. That is very interesting. I even asked Alexa and asked what Brill was, and she didn't know. So to Google I went. And because we have the cutie, this box is for Cricut Access members only, but below are links to buy the box and to go ahead and join Access. So in this box, you guys should be happy because cardstock, and not a little cardstock. We're talking 125 8.5 by 11 sheets of Cricut's value cardstock. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show you all the colors in here. And then look at all the pretty colors. We have a whole rainbow here. Different pinks and blues, greens, yellows, orange, red, and then we have the neutrals too. So we have like white, tan, gray, black, brown. So this does really good with writing on. Really good to foil on also with the smooth texture. I use so much of this on my cards now, and it's great for all the different pieces, for paper piecing and all that. It'd be good for quilling too. But, oh, and the value cardstock is 65-pound cardstock. And it still has that solid core too. Next up, we are getting insert cards. And this is perfect. Why? Because it's the biggest card season and you get 30 of these. And these are nice big cards to send too. These are the R40 size. So they are 4.75 by 6.5. But inside here, you're going to get 3 each. No, not 3 each. You're going to get 10 each of the 3 different colors. So you're going to get 10 red, 10 blue, and 10 of the green. And then for the insert part, you're going to get these really pretty, see, it's rainbow scales. So you get the awesome rainbow, like holographic, and it's got the texture of the scales, which actually, here is a card I actually did with this exact sampler pack. Well, different, this was a square pack, different size, shape card. But if you can see those rainbow scales, they just give a texture and add pretty. And great thing about insert cards, super easy to do. You just put them on the Cricut card mat. Like on here, I had it do the drawing and then I just put the insert card in. And like, that's all the assembling you have to do is literally just put the piece in when I did that. So super easy. And with the Cricut card mat, you can do 4 of these at the same time too. But you can totally make 30 cards with that pack. And that's not the only card pack we're getting. Holy cow, this one's even bigger. So we are getting the Cricut, this is the Glitz in Glam pack. So this is 42 cards of the R10 size. These are 3.5 by 4.9 inches. So you're gonna get 14 inch. So you're gonna get 14 each of taupe, white, and cream for the card. And then you're gonna get 14 each of the sparkly glitter inserts. So you have red, gold, and black there, which really does that. That is the glitz and the glam. And then you have the 42 envelopes too. So that is 72 cards. If you have not used the insert cards before, you may have heard me mention, but you'll use that with the Cricut card mat, which you're getting in the box too. So this is a Cricut 2x2 card mat. There also is a single Cricut card mat available that you can use in the Joy. And there's one for the Joy Extra too. But this way you can go ahead, put your cards on here, and it has adhesive on here. You'll tuck your card underneath adhere it to it, and then you'll cut it out. You'll have it draw on it. You can flip it, have it draw on the inside, and then you just have to put your insert in. But what's great about this, you do 4 of them at the same time, and you do not have to do 4 of the same card at the same time too. You can go ahead and do the same size, but totally different designs if you like. So great to get one of those. I feel like people get lots of use of those, especially around the holidays, because we're making multiples of so many cards. And we are getting printable vinyl. This is actually 50 sheets of printable vinyl, 8.5 by 11 inches. So you can go ahead and do all kinds of stuff with this. You can go ahead, one thing you can do this time of year, print your gift tags on this. Super easy to do, and then you have your gift tags. But you can go ahead and print labels, you can go ahead and print for decor and make designs on stuff and put it on there. You can make stickers, you can laminate over it too. Don't forget there's lamination sheets. So 50 printable vinyl sheets. Oh, this is so party. And we are getting, this is silver holographic sparkle premium vinyl. I called this everything from Holographic to everything. But you're getting 12 by 48 inches of this beautiful, so pretty, sparkly holographic silver. And speaking of holographic, we are getting 12 by 48 inches of the holographic vinyl here, and this is in the opal color. So super pretty. I always think of unicorns. You can go ahead and decorate things. You can put it on notebooks. You could go ahead and decorate stuff with like kids' names. Super pretty to do. I know I did like a mermaid pencil case and I used some of this for like putting names on, but super pretty to add. Just think adding girls' names to something, or a unicorn project. I feel like every little girl loves holographic because it's just kind of magical and pretty. And also, well, who doesn't love shiny gold? Because we're getting 12 by 48 inches. This is the premium vinyl. This is the removable vinyl in the gold and shiny. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but the holographic is permanent vinyl. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Kaleidoscope Mystery Box. Oh, it is like a kaleidoscope. We had the rainbow scales, we had the holographic sparkle, we had the opal. It really is like a kaleidoscope. That's actually a really good name. And in that box, we got our new Brill Blue Cutie. And I learned a new word today, a new color. And not also that, but this box is at a special price. So this box is $39.99 US, $59.99 Canadian. So $10 less than usual for these boxes, and the MSRP on this is like $144 something American. So that is like insane percentage off there. And then because you have to be Access to buy the box, you'll get your Access discount like always. Links are below that you can go ahead and purchase this box. We do greatly appreciate when you guys use those. And always, using our links come at no added cost to you at all. They just help support small business. Oh, also in the links below, in our Facebook group, Cricut Design Space, we are giving away a Cricut AutoPress. And we are giving away to one lucky winner in our Cricut Design Space Facebook group, a Cricut AutoPress. So, and that is open till December 7th to enter. And you can enter up to 10 times per day. So good luck, everyone. Happy crafting. We're so excited to give that away. That is a great prize to get. I use pretty much all the presses, but the AutoPress is my absolute favorite. It's my biggest. I can do my biggest projects. I can like push down on it. It can press. I can walk away from it. It applies the pressure. Like so many reasons I love that AutoPress, but we're so happy to be giving one away. So guys, make sure you enter that because you can't win if you don't enter. And probably, I'm thinking when I'm recording this, I'm gonna have another giveaway started too. So we are going to have 2 giveaways going on within our group, and we're going to have another $100 Cricut giveaway. It's the holiday season. So we are excited to give away all we can. So thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a comment below. What did you think of the box? What did you think of the new cutie? Did you know what Brill Blue was before this? I'm just curious. Like, did I not know? Is this a common known thing? Thank you guys so much on our last video for all the birthday shout outs I got. I greatly appreciate you guys, our admins, our Patreon supporters. You guys are amazing. And to Cricut, thank you so much. I'm so happy to bring you guys all this like crafty inspiration and joy, because that's what to me it is. It's like it brings joy. So, until next time, friends, happy crafting. I know we're going to be busy little elves until Christmas comes, which is like, now it's officially the month of Christmas. Holy cow. Happy crafting. Stress-free crafting, hopefully. I'll try to stay jolly holly over here. And we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye. Doodles.